Guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Codex in CLion. So let's open the CLion 2026 is the latest version currently, and there I will do here open AI Codex installation in the CLion. So this is the project I already have. Now thereafter here you can get this AI chat and this here JetBrains AI. So you can click anyone. Let's click on this JetBrains AI or let's click on this AI chart. So here when you click on this AI chart, there you need to install the plugins. Click on this install plugins. So this is the first way here. By clicking on this icon you can do there. Or second is let's click this, then file, go on setting. The second way to open, and here you need to go on this plugins. So plugins, there you can see JetBrains AI Assistant. Here you can also do their installation. So let's click on this. So this is now JetBrains AI Assistant is now currently installing. So this done here. Let's click on this OK and installing JetBrains AI Assistant. Now this install, let's click on this restart. Restart. So here your CLion ID is now currently reopening. Now you can see AI chat that's come there. Here you can start with JetBrains AI. So there I'm going to use there, or you can use this OpenAI Cloud Gemini. So there I'm going to use their codex. So that clicking on this sign in codex with ChatGPT. So this clicking and let's click on this login. So here or this that's come there. You can open with login with the OpenAI account, Google, Apple, Microsoft phone. Let's use their Google. Then you can close. Let's click on this close. This is now can successfully sign in. Now thereafter here you can use this AI chat displays